Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from graph which is called rotten oranges. Okay, so you would be given one matrix, okay, 2D array, something like this, 2 double 1 double 1 0 0 double 1. Okay, so here 0 represent empty, okay, means no fruits. 1 represent fresh fruit, okay, and then 2 represent rotten fruit. Okay, so you need to find, see, you can traverse top, bottom, left, right. Okay, top, bottom, left and right, and then you need to tell me the time, okay, in which all fruits will get rotten. Okay, so for example, if you start from here, this is the rotten orange. Okay, so it will on time 0. Okay, so for time 0 you have exactly this one, the problem. Okay, now time 1, minute 1, what will happen? This, if you go to this direction, okay, you can go to right, left, top and bottom. So top and left is not valid in this case for this particular orange. Okay, so it will make this fresh fruit to rotten in 1 minute. Okay, if it is 0 means there is no fruit, so it will not get rotten. Okay, so minute 1, this one will happen. Okay, now what happened in minute 2? So this one make this fruit rotten, and here though it is nothing, and this one will make this orange rotten. Okay, now minute 3, what will happen? This one will make this orange rotten, and yeah, that's it. And then minute 4, what will happen? This one will make this orange rotten. So after 4 minutes, all fruits will get rotten. Okay, so this is the problem, and you need to do you need to find the time. Okay, so this is what we are doing here. Same thing, whatever I have just explained you, that is happening here. So at the end, this one will be the answer. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, we don't need it, so I have deleted this. That was just only for your reference. Now how you will solve it? Very simple. You would be given one matrix. Okay, let's say this is 2 1 1 0 1 1, okay, and 0 0 1, something like this. Okay, so first we will find rotten orange. So you will be given the 2D array which is called, let's say, grid. Okay, you will find row and column using grid dot length and grid 0 dot length. Okay, so you will have a row 3 and column will be 3. Now after that you will take one queue. Okay, you will take one queue, and then in that queue what you will do, initially you have fresh equal to 0. Okay, one integer variable, the counter. Okay, now what you will do, you will run two for loops, I equal to 0 to j equal to 0, and I is less than row, j is less than column. Okay, and you will traverse this entire array, and you will see how many fruits are rotten, and you will put that into the queue. Okay, and then you also check that how many fresh fruits are there, means whose value is 1, so that at the end we can see that all fresh fruits are got rotten. Okay, so that's why this two thing you will do. So you will add in a queue this first one. What you will add? You will add its I comma j, so 0 comma 0. Okay, so this 2 is done. Now nothing else, right? And then you have fresh fruit 1 2 3 4 5. So fresh fruit, fresh will become 5. Okay, now what will happen next? So this is done. Okay, now if fresh is equal to 0, then return 0, means you don't have any fresh fruit, so which will get rotten, right? Otherwise initially minute will be 0, this one we will increment. Okay, and then you will take one direction array. See, if you remember in number of island, number of provinces, okay, flood field question in the earlier videos, we have taken when you need to move direction, top, bottom, left, right. Okay, we were using I minus 1 j, then I plus 1 j, then I j minus 1, and then I j plus 1. So instead of this, you can do one more thing. Okay, you can have one array, 2D array of what? 1 comma 0, okay, minus 1 comma 0, then 0 comma 1, and 0 comma minus 1. This is the same thing only. Okay, you can think that plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, not here, plus 0 plus 0. So just do the same thing, minus 1 0, just remove I and j, minus 1 0 plus 1 0. Okay, then 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. So you will create this 2D array, and then what you will do, you will check if q is not empty. Okay, one by one you will take the element from q. So you have taken this 0 comma 0. Okay, the size of the q is 1 right now, size is 1. Okay, and initially rotten is false, because that can also happen, right, that no fruits get rotten. So in that case you don't need to increase the minute, or you will come to know that okay, we need to stop here, and if it got rotten, then only you will do minute plus plus. Okay, then after that what will you do? You will run one for loop, I equal to 0 to size. Okay, means this q, the level order traversal, nothing else. And then you will take the first element from q. Okay, so this one will be your sale, 0 comma 0. Now this one will be r, this one will be c. Okay, so you will find the new r and new c. For example, for each you will iterate this direction array. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 we are going to top, bottom, left and right direction. We are checking nodes, okay, neighbor nodes. So new row, new column you will create. Okay, if you dry run it, you will get that. So new row will become whatever actual plus d of 0. So what is d of 0? This one you taken. Okay, so this is d of 0, d of 1, so plus 1, and nc equal to 0 plus 0, so this one will be 1 comma 0. Okay, for 0 comma 0 you will first check 1 comma 0, so 1 comma 0 is this one. Okay, you will check for that. Now again you will have here 5 conditions. Okay, when you will stop checking its neighbor when your I is less than 0, j is less than 0. Okay, means here in this case we have new row and new column instead of ij. So new row, new column is less than 0 means they are coming somewhere here out of the matrix, or your new row or new column is greater than row or column means they are coming somewhere here. Okay, after that one more condition, if grid of nc and nr, okay, nr and nc is not 1, then in that case also you don't need to perform this operation. Okay, if it is 1 then only you need to perform, because if there is a fresh fruit then only it will get rotten. Okay, if there is no fruit then no issue. So what you will do, you will get new row, new column and make it to 2. Okay, so this one, let's say we are talking about this one, so it will become 2. Okay, and then you will do you will add this new column into the queue. So this one gone. Okay, now here 1 comma 0 will come, because next time we will check its neighbor node. Okay, 1 comma 0 is neighbor node, and fresh minus minus. So out of 5, okay, out of 5 how many were there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 is done, so now 4 is remaining. Okay, rotten equal to true. So you came to know, okay, this level 1 fruit got rotten. So if rotten is true, then minute plus plus, so minute will become 1. Okay, similarly you will traverse all the nodes. So this next time this one will become 2. Okay, in next time this one will become 2, this one will become 2, then this, then this. So when you traverse it, at the end if your fresh is equal to 0, it means you have all the fruits got rotten. Okay, so you just return minutes, otherwise you return -1. If anything is remaining, any one is remaining, then return -1. So that's it. Thank you.